How to fix the black screen problem on your Sony Bravia television. So if you're trying to turn on your TV and you're just seeing this black screen, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the very first thing we need to do is just go and disconnect any external connections to the TV. So this could be HDMI cables or basically anything you have plugged in to the back of the device. Now, once you've unplugged all of the cables, we then need to come down to the main power supply, and you're just going to unplug your TV from the wall socket like so. Now, once your TV is completely unplugged, we're going to leave this unplugged for around about 60 seconds. Now, at the same time of this being unplugged, you need to come around to the front of your television and you should be able to find a physical button that turns the TV on and off. Now, sometimes this can be located just underneath the Sony logo, and other times it may be to the right or to the left-hand side of the TV. Now, once you've found this button, just go and press and hold this down for 30 seconds, and this will drain any residual power that may be left in the unit. Now, after 30 seconds have passed, you can then go and release that power button. You could then plug your TV back into the main power supply. You can try it turning on your TV, and that should have now solved the black screen issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.